This JMP demonstration shows how to build a structural equation model. We are using the job satisfaction data from the sample data folder. These data are from a workplace survey that focused on employees' perceptions of leadership and conflict as well as their job satisfaction. Structural equation modeling, or SEM, is available in JMP Pro and is a general modeling framework for many types of analyses. This demonstration is a brief introduction to JMP Pro's SEM platform through an example of mediation analysis. We'll start by going to Analyze, Multivariate Methods, Structural Equation Modeling. Our analysis will focus on the relationships between leadership average, conflict average, and satisfaction average, so we'll place these three variables into the model variables role and click OK. We'll model the effect of leadership on job satisfaction both directly and as mediated by conflict. We'll begin specifying the model by selecting leadership in the From list and satisfaction in the To list, and then clicking the single arrow button to build a regression of satisfaction against leadership into the model. This effect has been added to our path diagram on the right. We can use similar steps to specify conflict as a mediator in our model. While we do that, note that you also can add latent variables to a model by using the controls immediately below the To list. The SEM platform has numerous shortcuts for specifying common model types, including mediation analysis. Instead of building the model manually, we can click on the Model Shortcuts red triangle and select Cross-Sectional Classics, Mediation Analysis, and then select a variable for each of the three roles in the model. Our path diagram shows the model structure, and various path diagram customization options are available in the right-click menu. We'll give our model a name, and then click the Run button to fit the model. Parameter estimates are added to the path diagram, and full statistical results are provided in tables to the left. The regression section shows that all three regression parameters are statistically significant. The direct effect of leadership on satisfaction is positive, indicating that better leadership is associated with higher job satisfaction. The two effects involving conflict are negative, indicating that better leadership is associated with lower conflict, and a reduction in conflict is associated with higher job satisfaction. Further outputs for this model are available under the red triangle. For example, we might select total effects to assess the total effect that leadership has on satisfaction through both the direct and indirect effects. Note that you can fit and compare multiple models within the same SEM window. All fitted models will be listed in the Model Comparison section, and nested model comparisons can be performed by selecting nested models and clicking Compare Selected Models below the table.